All right, we're sitting here with Bobby and Norma Eslick. We're closing on their house today, the purchase of their house. Bobby, what made you decide to sell your home as is?
Well, it needed a lot of work, and actually quite a bit of work. We didn't have the money to fix it, so we decided to sell it and buy another house and start off fresh.
All right. And why did you guys choose to sell your home to Texas Ideal Properties?
Well, you came out and you gave us a nice offer on it.
And explained everything.
Explained everything
very well.
comfortably, and the process was great.
Yes.
And made it easy.
Totally painless.
How satisfied have you been with the selling process?
Very.
Very good. I loved it
Yes.
throughout. It was professionally done
It was very professional.
all the way through.
And we felt very comfortable because you explained everything so well.
Did you guys have anything else that you wanted to say today?
No, just we're happy with,
We'd sure do
how it went
business
down.
with you again.
Yep,
We needed to. And we'd
no doubt
recommend you.
about it.
All right, well, thank you guys very much. I'm glad that we were able to help you out and get the house bought. And if you need anything, let us know. Thank you.
Absolutely.